Hi, Ralph Helm III from Ralph Helm Incorporated. We're a third-generation outdoor power equipment center that my grandfather started back in 1923. Just a wide gamut of everyone that we sell, from the first-time homeowner to the municipalities and commercial guys that have been in business for years. We at Ralph Helm Inc. are constantly looking for new products, innovative products that will meet the needs of our customers, something that maybe nobody else has. So during that search, we came across the Orec company, and it had a number of products that would fit that bill. We've got the ROVER, which has just been a wonderful addition. It goes through, it performs, it'll cut anything it can run over. And the people just love the fact that they're able to sit on a product and be a brush mower that they don't have to walk behind. Garden Quake is a rear-tine rototiller that I've had an opportunity to personally use myself. It's able to sink into it, rototill up, and till everything up so fine, so easily. It's just a marvelous product. The Snow RINO, which is a stand-on zero-turn snowplow. The majority of my commercial customers, they use this for clearing areas, sidewalks, large areas, things of that nature, and have been just extremely happy with it. The Cyclone, the flail mower, basically runs over, sucks them in, chips them up, spits them out. It's almost like a walk-behind wood chipper. It's just awesome. That brings me to another innovative product that Orec carries, and that's the Trailblazer Transporter. It's a motorized wheelbarrow on tracks. It adjusts open and shut. It's able to carry sand, 2x4s, whatever you want, and it'll go over all sorts of terrain, making it very easy for the operator to get to where he needs to get to with the supplies he needs to do. We're also excited to bring in the Snowball, which is their walk-behind snowplow, and that's a product that we're excited to show people, and it's going to be, I think, a wonderful addition to the lineup that we have here at Ralph Helm Incorporated. Orec also produces a more popular rotary-style brush cutter called the Samurai. It has a single front wheel set in the middle rather than two front wheels set on the end. This allows the operator to easily maneuver the machine back and forth without having to put pressure and pick that front wheel up to turn. The Orec product, in my mind, is one of the best professional pieces of equipment that is out there. Heavy duty, built to last, it just lasts forever. And the Orec product exceeds everyone's expectations, and they're a great company to work for.